Updating your billing profile on Commercetools is essential for managing your payment information effectively. Follow these steps to ensure your billing details are current. Step 1. Login. Access your Commercetools account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to update billing information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find and select the billing information section. This area contains all relevant details regarding your payment methods and billing profile. Step 4. Update your details. Edit the necessary fields in your billing profile, such as credit card information, billing address, or payment method. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your billing profile is up to date. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing profile on Commercetools current and avoid any disruptions in service.